Canadians line pulls up right circle. Point drops it right point. Cernak. He'll barrel into the right corner. Cernak behind the net. Left circle Kucherov. High slide Hedman open. Shoot, score! Boy, what a passing sequence there. Victor Hedman had been stuck at 9 goals since December 23rd. A lot of assists in between then and now, but he finally gets to double digits, scoring his 10th, and it's 1-0 Lightning.
And what did he score on? A good wrist shot right under the catching glove of Price. Beautiful pass from Kucherov and a great shot by Hedman. That's a good start.
Back to get it is Petrie. Behind the Montreal net. Power play for Montreal just underway. Up the middle. Here's a breakaway chance. And alone Armia. Backhand shot. He put it wide left. Then he centers it. And Vasilevsky smothers it. Yoel Armia got behind the Lightning defense. A breakaway, but he missed the net.
Yeah, that was a great right pad toe save. That pass, though, how the heck did it get there so quickly?
He'll get it across the Lightning line to Domi. Center point shot through a screen. Found its way into Vasilevsky's crease, and Vasilevsky made the save. Byron following up left corner behind the net, Domi. A drop pass knocked away by Cirelli. He'll tap it out to center ice, and he has a 2-on-1. Across the blue line, Killorn, right circle. Killorn holds, shoots, score! The Lightning convert on the 2-on-1. Cirelli to Killorn. It's 2-0 Lightning.
I'm going to tell you, you know what made this open up was the kid Coleman. How he was coming up the middle to make it a 3-on-1. And Killorn looks at him, and then he just turns and fires a wrist shot high right over the catching glove of Carey Price. What a shot.
Into the Lightning zone. He'll lose Point, who chops it out to Kucherov at center. A little feed to Pat Maroon across the blue line left point. Centers it, Kucherov, score! Kucherov so dangerous when he gets to that area around the net. That was a bouncing puck as Maroon swept it in front. Didn't matter to Kucherov. He drilled it in. It's 3-0 Lightning.
That was a great play by Pat Maroon. Absolute spectacular play. He gets nailed on the boards. He just puts it out in front. Kucherov skating by. He gets it on the heel of his stick. Right on the heel. And it just goes into the far corner. Carey Price, it was almost like a changeup.
Under pressure, slips to Goodrow. They'll reverse it back for Sergachev. Smart play, 3 seconds left. Sergachev just protects the puck in the near corner. Armia steal. Time has expired in the period. So the Lightning had a little bit of bend but don't break, and now shoves exchange. Boy, Sherrod came barreling in on Goodrow. What started that?
And I think Weber came in too.
Yeah, nothing was happening at the end of the period, was there?
No. There was nothing happened. Goodrow threw a check at somebody and Armia, and nothing happened. And then all of a sudden, these two guys come in. Sherrod comes in.
If the Lightning don't get a power play out of this, which they have not even had one so far in the game, it'll be very surprising. And now Weber coming at Sergachev. And they drop the gloves. Weber and Sergachev fighting. Sergachev lands a right on Weber. Weber missed with an overhand right, and Sergachev tackles him. Well, you know what, Phil? They're going to get back up.
Let him up. He let him up. But the referee should have stopped it right there. McIsaac standing right there.
Yeah.
Stop it. And it's after the stinking whistle. And again, all this starts.
Not only after the whistle, after the period ended.
That's true.
Right circle. Back for Petrie, center point. Return Suzuki, right circle. A little feed in front. Evans denied by Vasilevsky and a point-blank chance.
Great save.
Traffic jam. And Armia takes it away, and here's a short-handed rush. Armia across the blue line left circle. Shoot! Save Vasilevsky.
Boy, Vasi's been good.
Late in this game, Vasilevsky has had to face some more dangerous chances, particularly on that power play. The one he made on Evans
was a great
toughest one, and that one was a tough save on Armia.
Vasi has been really good. Armenia has had about, 3 or 4 great chances.
Going back to the first period, face-off win here for Yanni Gourde. Shattenkirk in the left circle. 30 in the power play. Center point. Hedman. Score! Well, it took from December 23rd to tonight for Victor Hedman to get his 10th goal, but he has 2 tonight. and 11 on the year. That's a power play goal.
Beautiful play by Shattenkirk, too. Set it right up, and a quick blast by Hedman that beats Carey Price on the stick side. Good shot, good goal. Power play goal.
I think that just went straight in. Holds onto the puck. Find it at Maroon. Centers it. Danault knocks it away. And this one is over. A shutout win for Andrei Vasilevsky. He makes 32 saves. The Lightning beat the Canadiens, sweeping the season series for the second time in franchise history. Vasi gets his 21st career shutout and third this year. He was really good early and late. Very More good. Routine saves in the middle of the game, but he made those as well. And the Lightning are up to 89 points now on the year.